Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the textures quality in Librarian. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. From here select Video, scroll to the Advanced section and go down a bit more. Look for the textures quality. As you can see, there are 4 available presets. You can pick between either the Epic quality, High quality, Medium quality and Low quality. After of course you make your choice, you can hit Apply and OK to save the changes. Once you are done, you can close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.